Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's aliyehgabriella. I am here with part 2 with the glueless frontal unit installed. And I just want to show you guys my glueless technique that I do when I do wear frontals. I don't wear frontals often, but if I do, this is the technique that I would use. So first you want to get you a nude cap, either a wig cap or a knee-high stocking cap. And you want to get your got-to-be spray and begin to spray that on your hairline. Once the spray is completely dry, you want to get your shears or a sharp pair of scissors and begin to cut off the excess cap. Before we get started and I show you the glueless technique, I am going to do a quick tutorial showing how I do a neutral glam look for my dark skin baddies. So hopefully this helps a lot of you guys. I am not a professional. I am just a girl who loves to enhance her beauty. So this is not one of those videos that you can learn from, although, you know, I make what I do work for me. So it may work for you as well. Okay, so once you're done getting glammed up, oh my god, you want to get either some liquid foundation or some powder foundation and spread that all over the scalp so that you can get a nice natural look under the wig. So the way my frontal units are made, they do come with an elastic band, so all you would have to do is throw it behind your head underneath your braids, and you want to flip your wig back as well. As you can see, my frontal fits very snug to my hair, and all I would have to do is just cut off the lace. You want to make sure that when you're cutting the lace, you're cutting in a zigzag pattern. You don't want to cut straight across your frontal or else it will look too wiggy. Cutting in a zigzag motion will make it look less rough around the edges. So now that we've cut off the excess lace, as you can see, your ear tabs are unsecure. So what I do to make sure that it's secure and in place, I get my Got To Be freeze spray and I spray right where my ear tabs would lay. You want to make sure that when you press your lace into the Got To Be spray that you're pushing hard and with tension, but you don't want to smudge your fingers into the lace. Once your ear tabs are secure, you want to get your styling mousse and begin to apply that onto the hairline, and you want to mold your hairline into place. I honestly do not deal with frontals on a daily. I really like closures more than frontals, so disregard any mistakes that you may see in this video. Like I said, I do not wear frontals, but I thought I'll show you guys how to install your frontal units without using any type of glue. I can say that when you're dealing with frontals, that you want to maneuver your hairline as best as you can possible. People tend to forget that a frontal is made of lace. It is not going to be your skin, it's just material. So it's an illusion to make it all seem real. So like I said, you just want to finesse your hairline and maneuver and make it look as best as possible. Once you have got your desired look, you want to get a hair wrap to mold your hairline into place so that it can be set for the rest of the day, and you want to tie that down while you style your hair. So a lot of people have been asking me about this vendor. How well did the hair hold up? How is the lace? so on and so forth. Let me say that this hair is nothing compared to my vendor. I was just bored, honestly, wanting to test out hair, hoping that I can find some good Indian hair. But while finding for good Indian hair, I need to make sure that my virgin hair is A1 also. So I will still be on the journey to find some good Indian hair, but so far I'm sticking with my current vendor as I am very satisfied. But please do not get me wrong, this hair did hold up to a good extent. It stayed soft throughout the day, it did not tangle. I had slight shedding, but it wasn't like excessive. So strongly, I would rate it about a good 8. So once you're finished styling the hair, you want to take your hair wrap off and begin to comb out the baby hairs. When you comb out the baby hairs, it'll give you a more softer look. So this is the final results. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I'm looking back at this video, I was kind of mad that I did not pluck a part in my frontal unit, but like I said, I do not wear frontals, so please disregard any mistakes that you may see. But this is my tutorial showing a quick, simple, and easy way on how you can install your frontal units completely glueless. So again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.